And then for audience segmentation, the best category for audiences to target for plumbing is going to be home services. So home and garden services, it should be here. So they should be in the market. So they're literally going around and they're looking for different plumbers, right? They've contacted one plumber, they've gone to like one plumbing website, they've gone to another plumbing website, they maybe gone on YouTube and tried to research plumbing there. And essentially they're in the market for home and garden services or for plumbing. Or for plumbing services. Now, the problem with selecting these is that they're extremely competitive, right? Like basically any plumber is going to select all of these and he's willing to pay $200, $300 for one of these phone calls for like a paid lead simply because they might make like $1,000 from their job, right? So these are very, very competitive, but they are the most targeted, right? You're essentially filtering out all the garbage keywords such as, let's say, Mr. Rooter, which is a brand name in the US, Mr. Rooter billing, Mr. Rooter customer service, stuff like that. Instead, you're hyper targeting to the keywords that Google knows will get you paid, will get you customers that are looking for a plumber as opposed to looking for like a customer service query. But at the same time, you're competing against everybody else who might be targeting that audience as well. So you're limiting the amount of traffic you get, but you essentially increase the quality of the calls that do come in. So it's really much it's very much a balancing act. In that case, if you want to only target these, you select targeting. If you want to just target everything, but at the same time keep an eye on these, then you do observation, right?